Akal Academy Award Ceremony Teachers' Day 5th September 2020. Mr. K. Ramesh, Postgraduate Teacher, Madurai.
Good evening, everyone. So, I'm so happy and glad that all of us, with blessings of Surinderji, we will just move ahead with first the launch of the magazine, Namaste India, and then, of covering or joining so many educators, doctors, we have engineers, we have lots and lots of people from all the strata of the society, and mostly our loving students and teachers who have joined into making this event a great success. Akal Academy's award, we decided that during the pandemic, lot of our morale is getting we are getting demotivated. We are doing our best in spite of all the factors, all the things which are coming in front of us, all the struggles which we are facing. But we are facing it like a lion. We are facing all the odds. So this is our maiden award, and we are giving it to give public recognition to the meritorious teachers. Always principals, directors, teachers, very few get awards. So we thought of a new thing. Why not award the pre-primary teachers? Why not award primary separately, high school, college teachers, art teachers, music teachers, sports teachers? So that was our aim, to boost the morality of the teacher fraternity. And on Teachers' Day, what good can it be other than getting an award, isn't it? So the purpose of the award is to celebrate the unique contribution of some of the finest teachers in the country, and to honor those teachers who, through their commitment and industry, have not only improved the quality of school education, but also enriched the lives of their students. That is the main goal of us, the teachers, right? Let's begin with the first award. Thanks, Ramesh. I got it. Actually, we have two Mr. K. Ramesh. So that was the reason why Ramesh Ji was left out. Thank you, Ramesh Ji, for just sending it back to me. He is MA with English, and he has also done his MA. And the most his strengths are his hardworking, punctual, positive attitude, and open-minded. What I love about the works he has done is he has not only been a state resource person for PGT, he has also authored workbooks from 6th standard to 12th standard. He conducts tips programs for Dinamalar, Sai TV, local channels, and Sanskaran Trust. I'm sorry if I mispronounce anything. Very soon, I'll also frequent to South India due to some reasons. So I'll pick up all the mispronunciations, whatever I said today wrong. Maybe I'll improve on that. So all the my heartiest congratulations to Mr. K. Ramesh for getting the award. And next awardee